Hi friends, welcome to the new video. Today we are going to discuss about new app called FNO trading app. Okay, so it is same like as Heartbeat and Binance like that. It's not a demat account, so there will be no charges at all. So in case you have not joined our Telegram channel, please join first because I have announced a lot of campaigns also. Even for this loot also we have 50 rupees campaign. Okay, you can search in the Telegram channel. Our Telegram channel name is A1 Earning Tips. Okay, so what FNO is all about? Yeah, FNO is all about trading app. Okay, so in FNO app we have sign up bonus of 100 rupees. Okay, per refer we have 200 rupees, and our special campaign we are conducting is 50 rupees. Okay, if you join through my link, I'll give you 50 rupees Paytm cash instantly. Okay, so let's get into the details now. Okay, I'll briefly explain what is the registration process and what is how to get joining bonus of 100 rupees and how to get referral income of 200 rupees, and also what is the process to trade. Okay, so provide you description in the link. Okay, you just join with that link and see for this all the trading apps and for all the demat accounts, it is compulsory that you need PAN, Aadhaar and Aadhaar OTP with you. Okay, so if you have those three apps only, you should proceed with this. Okay, so just listen to the process thoroughly and please see the video till the end of it. Okay, so uh, when you click on that link, you'll firstly see this option, see the page like this. Okay, you just click on open trading account here. Okay, then in the next page you'll see enter your mobile number. Okay, you just give your mobile number here. Okay, in the next step we'll have it will ask us to set up a verification SMS. Okay, it will ask us to give verification SMS sent on mobile number. Okay, it is all regular process only, nothing to tell. Then you should register an email. Okay, you should register an email, and in the next step you have to enter your PAN card number. So as I told you, for all the demat accounts and trading apps, it is compulsory that you need PAN card number. So you usually enter the PAN card number. Okay, then you just have to give father's name and mother's name here as usual. Then in the next step you have to give your full personal information like gender, marital status, annual income, occupation, trading experience. It is not compulsory to give only certain details. You can give as whatever details you need to give. Okay, let's say in annual income 1 to 5 lakhs, occupation professional, student, trading experience 1 or 2 years, whatever you want, you can give it. Okay, so in the next page it will ask us to give bank account number. Okay, just a second. It will ask us to give bank account number. So even Paytm is accepted here. You can give Paytm also, Paytm details also, and enter IFSC code. Okay, then in the next step it will ask us to provide the verification details. Okay, all these are verification details. One is selfie, PAN card photo, address proof, bank proof. It is a small video, they'll give one number, let's say 25 or so. In the video we have to say this number, that's it. It is just, it will take only 5 minutes time to complete all these verification steps. Okay, see it should, all these details should come like this. Okay, after uploading it will show like this. So after it is done, uh, then it will ask us to sign the papers. Okay, there will be some documentation where we need to sign with your Aadhaar KYC. Okay, so it will these are the details that are auto filled. Whatever we fill the detail, they'll get filled in the form, and in the next stage we will have to sign the document like this. Okay, using Aadhaar OTP. So as I told you, Aadhaar OTP, PAN and Aadhaar are compulsory for everything. Okay, then the final message will be your account will be activated by 11:50 p.m. today. Okay, before that only it will get activated. Okay, so that is how the process of registration is. So till here only registration process is completed. Okay, just a second. So the second part of the video is how to add see, to get joining bonus we have one condition here. To get joining bonus we need to trade first transaction. We need to trade first transaction here. See, trading in the sense you will just have to buy something and sell something, and the minimum value is 50 rupees. Okay, 50 rupees we have to buy and sell something, and we can withdraw with this 50 immediately. I'll show you how. Okay, So once you register and your account gets verified, a successful message will be sent to your email ID and mobile number. You just log in with your 4-digit pin, and then this will be the page opening. Okay, this page will open. Just a second, I'll portray. So after logging in, you'll get this page. Okay, so here firstly what we have to do is, let's get into this. We have to click on add funds here. See, add funds, here add funds will be there, so we have to just click here. Okay, in the next page, see this one, we have to click on add funds. Okay, so in the next page it will ask us to uh, just a second, I'll enlarge it. You just select UPI here. Okay, you just select UPI here. Yeah, then click on 50 rupees add money. Then after adding money, you'll get this successful message. Okay, you'll get the successful message. Then the amount, just a second, then you just go to currencies option over here. See, be careful when you are doing trading here. Okay, do not select any other option. You should select only currency. I repeat, you should select only currency option here. Okay, then in the next page you will get options. Just a second. The next page you will get options and futures. Select only options, do not go to features. I repeat, select only options, do not go to features. Okay, and if you select the options, then the next page will be like this. Okay, you should if you are then the next page will be like this. See what we have to do, there will be search bar over there. Okay, there you should just if it's not visible in, actually this option will be visible in watch list itself. If it is not available in the watch list, you just search in the search bar USD by INR. Okay, you'll get this one. Why we are choosing only currencies option means, only in this currencies option we have 50 rupees deposit. In all other things, whatever the option value is there, that is more than 1000 and more than 500. So only USD by INR we have 50 rupees minimum recharge value. So select USD by INR here. Okay, then after adding money, you just I have skipped something, just a second. Okay, after adding money, you'll get this option here. Okay, you'll get one option here, start trade. Okay, you just click on start trade. Okay, that's it. Then wait for some time. See what does it mean, 2.5 and 5. What does it mean means, you have invested 50 rupees and you are currently in the loss of 2.5 rupees. That means you'll only get 47.5 if you stop the trade now. Okay, so what you should do, you should wait for some time till it gets 0 rupees and return of 0% or profit. Okay, 0 or some profit. See, I don't know why the system automatically cuts at some point of time. So better you just cut it off at this price only, or you just cut it at 0%. Okay, so whatever it may be, if you invest 40, you'll get some 47.5 rupees and 0.1 rupee as charges they were there. Okay, so you just cut it. So for me it automatically transaction cancel. Okay, after the trade is executed, you will get this option, bonus option. You have earned 100 rupees for joining. The amount will be credited by 9 a.m. tomorrow. So this is how it is. See, first we have to upload 50 rupees using UPI. Okay, after then you just have to select USD by INR under currencies, under options. Okay, under current you just have to choose currencies, options, USD by INR. Okay, USD by INR. Okay, after that you just have to invest that 50 rupees here. Okay, after that you just have to invest that 50 rupees here. Here you have to invest, and then you just cut it at when it is in profit or in 0%, so that you will get, if it is under 0, if it is under 0%, you'll get 50 or 49 rupees. If it is less than 0, if it is if it is negative, you will get some whatever it is showing here under profit, that minus yield amount. Okay, So you'll get that one you'll get this congratulations message. So you take screenshot of this message. See, I'm conducting campaign, so I'll give you a campaign amount only after 24 hours, because after your account gets verified within 12 hours in the same day. Okay, your account gets verified within 12 hours. Just a second. Your account gets verified within 12 hours. Okay, after 12 hours only you have to do trade. Okay, after trade the amount, referral amount gets credited to me next 24 hours. Okay, once I'll get the your name under my verification, under my referral income, I'll pay you 50 rupees. Okay, so you just have to take this screenshot, and one more screenshot is your profile one. See, you just have to take two screenshots. One screenshot is profile. Okay, and second screenshot is this one. You just have to send me these two screenshots along with my with your Paytm number. I'll pay you 50 rupees. Okay, so that's it. So see, for me it automatically, I have invested 50 rupees in that USD and INR, but system automatically what it stopped the transaction, and it gave me only 39 rupees. Okay, so whatever it may be, we are getting anyway 100 rupees plus 39 rupees, 139 rupees, and if I do one or two referrals, I'll get 200 per referral. Okay, so that's why, that is how it went on. Okay, then you can directly click on withdraw funds here. Okay, then immediately you can easily withdraw it. It will credit within, see, there are some restrictions here for withdrawal also. Observe carefully. If you place withdrawal request before 5 p.m, it will be credited before 11 p.m tonight. If you request after 5 p.m, it will be credited 11 p.m after 11 p.m in the next business day. So anyway, amount will definitely credit, but it will take these are the timing restrictions. See, I have requested withdrawal, and immediately this message I got, the request for has been submitted successfully. So that is, and uh, you can find referend an option here. Just a second. So you'll find referend option here in the home page. See here, this is the referendum option. If you click this page, you'll get this one, this page. So here you can check all the status. Just a second. Here you can get all the referral status. Okay, how many members are pending, how many did trading, how many 200 rupees credited to you, and what are your earnings, and you can get everything. And here is your copy link. Okay, copy this and share it to your friends and family. See, if you do not have KYC details, take your father's details, take your mother's details, but let's not try to give their details. If you have only, it is suggested to give your details only, because why to involve family members details here. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys. If you like the video, do like, share and comment. Okay, thank you.